When I think about processes that I use in making sculpture, I would say that I probably am a constructivist most of the time, even though sometimes I like casting and I actually like adding figures to the sculpture and other objects that are cast, and I usually use a lost wax casting process. Usually I start off modeling directly in wax. I like holding it in my hand and just making an individual little piece. I kind of like the idea of each piece being individual. And after I modeled it in wax, then I go into the lost wax process using ceramic shell as a molding technique. After the ceramic shell mold is made, we de-wax the mold and cure the mold at the same time by putting it in a very hot furnace at about 1500 degrees. Then we're ready to pour the bronze in, and we usually preheat our molds so that we're pouring hot bronze or aluminum or stainless steel or whatever it is that we're going to pour into it into a hot mold. This just makes it fill the cavities better, and you just get a much better casting. After the metal cools, which usually only takes 30 minutes or so, we break the molds off and sandblast any remaining mold off of it, and then go in and start using little die grinders and other kinds of machines to kind of clean up the casting. These castings are real small right here. Sometimes I actually do quite large castings, but in this particular case we're just doing these little figures that we're adding to some of the bigger, larger construction forms. I kind of enjoy cleaning them up. It just allows you to add some more detail into a few places, and sometimes I have to patch some areas and weld a little bit, but then the painting of the figures to me is a lot of fun, just like I enjoy painting my big pieces, and so the whole thing just kind of all works together.